let's be frank, one day at Disney isn't enough. What's up, everybody? So I spent yesterday at the Magic Kingdom, had a good time. We had a little bit of rain, which I know Florida desperately needs right now. But today I'm gonna go over to EPCOT. Gotta get my drink on, you know, I'm that Disney adult. Gonna get some good food. It's the end of the Flower and Garden Festival, so I wanna check that out. And I'm gonna show you around the resort a little bit. So I'm staying at the Dolphin Resort, like I mentioned in the last video, but now I'm gonna show you around this and the boardwalk. So let's go check it out. It's always nice to start my day on the boardwalk. I absolutely love coming to the boardwalk. This morning I did a nice jog out here, got breakfast at the Boardwalk Cafe. It was really great. Been able to eat your breakfast and see the views of EPCOT and all around here and all the resorts. It's a pretty great way to start. And here's the new cake bake shop. This replaced the ESPN bar. And unpopular opinion, I wish the ESPN bar was back. I loved that place. I don't care what anybody says. The food was a sports bar food. It wasn't supposed to be great. I always liked it. It was never bad. But what I loved is coming out from International Gateway and coming here to get a pitcher of ice cold beer. It was so nice. I miss it. I've never actually been to the Yacht and Beach Club, so this is the first time I'm like walking over here. But I'm meeting Meg here so we can go into the International Gateway side of EPCOT. And it's like, well, why not pull the camera out and check it out? Looks pretty cool. Their pool is currently closed. It's under repair. But this is one of the pools that has the sand bottom. I think it's saltwater, I believe. But I know everybody really loves these pools. I've never been in it. But they look nice, so I'm sure it'll be incredible when it's all done. All right, I'm at EPCOT, and look what I found. I found a Meg.
What's up, everybody?
So we're gonna go hit up the UK Pavilion first. We came in through International Gateway, and we're gonna.
We need a breakfast. We need a breakfast Guinness.
We sure do. So let's go. It's my favorite first stop of any park, anywhere. And if you don't come in through International Gateway, are you really doing EPCOT?
No.
Yeah.
No, this is preferred.
Also, like, I'm gonna be using this camera a little bit more today because I watched the footage and it's just so much better.
It's just so nice. I've been changed for good.
Forever, or for the bad. Come to the dark side. All right, we've got the first stop at EPCOT. There's only one choice ever.
One for you.
And that is a Guinness. Cheers.
Cheers. Skull. Frothy.
Now, if you're coming to EPCOT anytime soon, they're changing out the lines for the beer at the Rose and Crown. So there is a little kiosk outside here that you have to go to. You cannot get this inside. If you order a Guinness inside, they have it, but it's in cans. That is not okay. We got some sushi for lunch, Tokyo Sunset, and the Wagyu beef bao bun. Super excited about that. Meg's so excited, look at that face.
I'm so jazzed!
This is one of my favorite drinks at EPCOT. This is a sleeper drink. It's delicious. We didn't have a knife, and we thought that this was 2, but it's not 2, it's Wagyu! How nice that is.
Yeah.
This was delicious. We inhaled our
gone.
sushi. It's gone.
It's literally gone, and it was wonderful.
So good. The sushi, this is the first place I ever had sushi.
And it won't be the last.
Nope,
But
never
it is the best. Minnie is, look how enormous Minnie is.
That's a big girl. Minnie's, that's a big girl. She thick. Minnie's thick. We like them thick, Minnie.
Oh my God, Phineas and Ferb, all that matters.
Oh, they have, yeah, look at that. Watched so much Phineas and Ferb in my day with my nephew.
Also, Phineas looks like a nacho Dorito.
All right, this is my first look at Communicore Hall. I know there's been a lot of controversy on this, but you know what? From what I've seen online, it looks like they're doing new stuff. And one thing that people people have complained about the inside being boring, but I, as like a musician and person that is like a stage person, I saw all of the moving lights that they have installed.
Yeah.
So like, they're not using everything they have yet.
Well, and it's also just like, it's cool because during Festival of the Arts, in there, they had an entire, the whole thing was transformed to cover all of Disney Broadway. So they had costumes, they had set pieces, they had props. So I think it's going to be used more as a place to like change out often.
The videos aren't doing justice of how this is laid out.
Yeah.
This is great.
They do a really cool dance party here with Encanto, and it's always packed.
Yeah, like the play area for kids. This looks great on the outside. Now let's go inside, check it out, and then we'll make our other
Well,
judgments.
look, there's like I haven't been in here for Flower and Garden, but like clearly, like they're doing something. So let's go check it
This
out.
looks fantastic.
It's cute. Look at,
Oh, it's so chill. It smells good.
it's like calm. It's just.
Now see, this is what I'm talking about. Is all of these moving fixtures up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 11 on each bar, and there's 6 bars. So there's a lot more that's going to be happening in here that they have not done yet.
But like, it's just a nice place for people to just relax. If they just need a few minutes out of the sun, like in air conditioning, the music is super chill, the lighting is nice. Like, look at everybody's just.
Yeah, and it seems like every festival they've added a little bit more in here.
Yeah.
You know
like
what?
this wasn't here, so this wasn't here.
Oh,
Like this was not here when it was Festival of the Arts. This was covered in props from The Lion King on Broadway. So this is all EPCOT Farmers Feast. So this is for Flower and Garden.
whoa. See, this is where I have a problem with.
May 4th through June 2nd, summer solstice menu. That's really cool. I also love snacks.
Sames. Also, like, the vloggers aren't doing justice as to the aesthetics of what this really is. But you know what? They're Disney vloggers. They have their agenda, and that's fine.
Yes.
I love them still.
A star. Oh, oh my God, I thought it was in photo mode, but it's recording.
Oh, God. Oh, boy.
You're gonna have 1,000 images of the same.
Great. So I'm shooting Meg shooting pictures with my Lumix, and it's the first time using the Osmo today, which I love the Osmo. It's incredible, but I was having fun.
God.
Yeah, I think she's sold on the camera.
This is crazy.
So this is my S9, but what she needs is the S5 II, which is the same camera but more for photo. Same sensor, all the same program features, but has a couple other more photo type things. Also, we're in Connections.
Tell about that cool mural.
The cool mural, that's a real mural. That's not a vinyl. That is a actual painted mural. Super nice. Meg is just living her best life.
I can't believe how amazing this camera is.
So I just got back from EPCOT. It rained most of the afternoon, which was actually really nice. It felt really good, but I just couldn't use my camera. So I'm back at the hotel, and now I'm waiting for Chuck to pick me up because we're going to see Fitz and The Tantrums tonight, because here in a couple days I go down to Miami and jump on the cruise ship because I'm working artist relations for the cruise ship for Fitz and The Tantrums and Lindsey Stirling and a few others. So sorry I didn't get to show you the rest of my day at EPCOT, but pretty much it was just hanging out and just relaxing. It was really, really nice. And now we're here at the venue for Fitz and The Tantrums. There's Chuck. It's a really cool spot, like really cool spot. Check this out. We're gonna get some drinks, watch the show, and hopefully not get in too much trouble.
Everybody make some noise. Come on and get upset.